Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use the CoinStats app. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it to see the main dashboard. Here, you can view your overall portfolio performance and market trends. CoinStats helps you track your crypto assets across various exchanges and wallets, providing a unified view of your investments. It's a powerful tool for managing your digital wealth efficiently. Next, let's connect your exchanges and wallets. Navigate to the Portfolio section and tap Add Portfolio. You can choose from a wide range of supported exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. For secure integration, use API keys, which grant CoinStats read-only access to your balances and transactions. This ensures your funds remain safe while providing accurate portfolio tracking. Manual entry is also an option for less common assets. Now that your portfolio is connected, explore the tracking and analysis features. The app provides detailed profit and loss statements for individual assets and your entire portfolio. You can visualize your performance over different timeframes using intuitive charts. Dive into market data to discover new cryptocurrencies, read news, and gain valuable insights to inform your investment decisions. CoinStats empowers you with comprehensive data. Finally, let's look at some advanced features. Set up custom price alerts for specific coins or portfolio changes, ensuring you never miss a critical market move. You can also explore the CoinStats wallet for secure storage and transactions directly within the app. Remember to check the description below for links to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals. CoinStats offers a robust suite of tools for every crypto investor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.